President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. personally inspected the newly improved passenger terminal building at the Port of Lucena in Quezon Province. This is to review the close-to-completion terminal designed to improve port operations as well as the safety and convenience of passengers. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena has the full report.
From a small and crowded terminal, passengers at the Port of Lucena in Quezon will soon enjoy a larger, more comfortable, and modern terminal. This with the new passenger terminal building which President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspected today. The new terminal can accommodate up to 1,000 passengers. It features automated ticketing booths, clean restrooms, a proper ventilation system, and other modern amenities. The terminal will serve passengers traveling on the Lucena-Masbate, Lucena Marinduque, and Lucena Romblon routes.
The traffic going through Lucena, Lucena Port is approximately 500,000 travelers every year. Kaya kailangan talaga i-upgrade na yung ating mga facilities at saka maglagay tayo para matulungan ng ating mga traveling public.
Mas maganda kasi maluwan ang pagbiyahe namin, ganun.
The project costs more than 153 million pesos and is expected to be fully operational before All Saints Day, when a large number of travelers are expected. According to the Philippine Ports Authority or PPA, the new passenger terminal will also be open to accommodate stranded passengers during bad weather. The President also led the distribution of Certificate of Entitlements to 100 families in Lucena under the expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program. He also launched the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program in the city, where 10 kilos of rice were distributed to senior citizens and other indigent citizens. 20,000 pesos financial assistance were also handed out to presidential scholars as part of the 200,000 pesos financial aid for every barangay.
Pag pinaganda natin na mabuti ito at nakita natin na mas maganda ang maging resulta kasi sa dati, sisikapin namin pag sa susunod na budget ay dagdagan pa natin para maparami pa natin ang scholar, maparami pa natin ang tulong sa ating mga barangay.
Harley Valbuena, IBC News.